Hello, my cutie pies. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so do you remember what you have learned yesterday? Yes? Yes, you have learned about flowers, right? Different flowers. So let's quickly revise flowers and then we will do an activity. It will be very exciting. This is a rose. It is red in color. This is a daisy. It is white in color. These are lilies. They are pink in color. This is hibiscus. It is also known as shoe flower. It is red in color. These are daffodils. They are yellow in color. This is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. It is pink in color. This is a sunflower. It is yellow in color. You know, children, sunflower turns towards the sun. These are tulips. They are pink in color. These are marigold flowers. They are yellow or orange in color. So now let's start the activity. For this activity, I drew a sunflower on a paper. I have some colors yellow, brown and green and some earbuds. You can take the help of your mama and tell her to draw a flower like this on a paper, and then you can also do this activity at your home. Now let's start the activity. First we will take yellow color, and with the help of the earbud we will fill the yellow color in all the petals of the sunflower. Which flower is this, children? Sunflower. And sunflower is yellow in color, right? So like this we will fill all the petals slowly with the help of the earbud. You can do all the flowers like this at your home using different colors. I'm sure you are going to enjoy this activity, children. See how nice it is looking, isn't it? So we have to do it slowly like this. Now another petal. Take some more color and fill another petal. Same way we will fill all the petals. Then the flower will look beautiful. See how beautiful it is looking, isn't it? Same way you can make rose flower, tulip flower, lotus flower with their appropriate colors. See? Lovely, isn't it, children? Now we will take brown color and fill it in the center. Same way, slowly with the help of earbud. So do try this activity at your home, children. I'm sure you are going to have fun. Slowly, slowly, we'll fill the full circle with the brown color. Take some more color. It is looking very beautiful and colorful. Fill all the gaps which are looking white. The brown color. See? So beautiful sunflower. Right? Now we will take green color. And same way with the help of earbud, we will fill this color in stem and leaf. You have to do it very, very slowly, huh, children? Color should not go out of the line. Can you see that black lines I drew? So we will fill the stem of the flower and then leaf. Wow, it is looking more colorful. Isn't it, children? Are you enjoying this activity? Now, leaf. Very slowly and nicely we have to do it. Wow. See how beautiful. We have completed the activity. See how beautiful sunflower it is looking. Isn't it, children? Do try it at home with different flowers. I hope you all have enjoyed this activity. Now, it's time for practice worksheet. So, let's see the worksheet. This is your practice worksheet. In this worksheet, you have to color the rose red, the sunflower yellow, and the marigold orange. You can take the help of your mama and tell her to draw same flowers on a paper or take the printout and then you can color them with their appropriate colors. So children, I hope you all had fun in this session and enjoyed learning about flowers. Okay, bye-bye for today. Take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful day.